a part about the Efficient Accelerators has really been the generosity and the information and resources that we're given.
The instructors are very good. It answers a lot of my questions, a lot of doubts that I had.
It's like a really good support system.
The amazing fact that you all of a sudden become part of the community, which is phenomenal. The networking here has been amazing.
The people here are incredible.
I really appreciated the how to run your efficient business aspect of it.
A wonderful event to be able to learn and grow together, even if you're a seasoned officiant or someone who's just starting out.
I haven't officiated a wedding, but I feel like I could walk out of here and go do one tomorrow with the amount of information that they were able to provide us.
This is the best that I've found anywhere. I've learned so much at the Efficient Accelerator, and I've been doing it for 8 years.
There's no way you're not going to learn something new.
Everyone has been just truly amazing and just sharing about their process, how to build business, how to network and connect, but also really how to make the wedding a really special event for the people that you're serving.
In the military, we tell them Bravo Zulu when they do a good job. Bravo Zulu, this whole company.
If you haven't already purchased your ticket for the Efficient Accelerator, I encourage you to do so. It is money well spent.
It is worth the investment. It is an investment into your career.
Buy your tickets, you're going to learn something.
Go ahead, come, do it. It's probably one of the best investments you're making yourself.